Hello guys, I'm going to show you how you can replace this ice. It's an Oppo phone. It has not been going on. Whenever you could charge and do what and change the battery, the phone couldn't go on. So I've tried to find the fault. It's on this coil. As you can see, to remove it, you use a gun with not too much temperature, because you may move those ices aside. As you can see, even the capacitors are near that coil. As you can see, you hit it slowly and gently using a tweezer to remove that coil. You increase on the temperature so that, as you can see, it's now removed. After increasing the temperature to be removed, then you clean gently where the attachments they were on the PCB. After cleaning it, then you look for the same coil on another PCB of another phone, then remove it and replace it to here. For this, it's already spoiled. You can't put it back. Sometimes it needs to be cleaned and you replace it back, but this is already down. You cannot do anything to it.
Very good. How are you?
You first put it in the flex so that you can solder it very fast. As you see where I'm going to press it, now I'm looking for the coil on the other PCBs, which is the similar to that one which I've removed. You look for the same size and the same appearance. Now I'm going to remove it from another board. You first put the flux so that it can melt very fast. That's the one I've removed. Now I'm going to replace it on the Oppo mobile phone PCB. As you can see, you have to be gentle when you're putting it without shaking. If you don't know how to do it, you just keep on practicing it for several times so that you can perfect it. So thank you guys for watching.